What going me, G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you stay? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, remember, if you feel any pain at all, check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. I need if you call your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin. your next door neighbor. I need if you call everybody. Make them carry you to the doctor or to the hospital so you can be alright. And guys, remember, wellness check. Do some wellness check by your friends and your family. So that means we can know if you're alright. Them can know if you're alright. And if you're not alright, we are going to carry you by the doctor too. Alright. And remember, guys, you cook some food, you cook any extra, and when you cook and you have some food, remember, bubble jebs they cross the river, I wait upon some of the food. And remember, Miss Shelleen up the street, you should have loved to have some dinner too, because I know we don't want them cook too late at night or even go in the kitchen because we don't want them burn down the place. Guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Miss every party in the club. Yeah, man, just have a nice birthday. Wonderful time and enjoy your life. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself on your birthday. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, thank you very much for watching videos, for like the video, for share the video, and for hype up the video them. And the new thing that, you know, hype up the video them. Yes. On the phone, we go show you later on if you hype up the video them. Remember Monday Night Live? Yeah, we're coming at you right in your living room, right in your bedroom. Yes, we're coming. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers who don't see me in a no glass, my glass there, right there, so me just take it off. Because me want to know if you look into my eyes, tell me what you see, can you see my face? Me no in a joke with this video here. Me go talk to Narry. Narry, come here. Narry, me see what go on, me hear what go on, and me also know some of what go on. And me go talk to you this morning because you are my son. You are 2 years older than my son, so that means you could have been my son. Yes. I saw something like that. But Narry, I want to talk to you, say, young man. And what I want to talk to you about is go get a lawyer. That is what I want to talk to you about this morning. Go and get yourself a L-A-W-Y-E-R lawyer. That's how you spell. Go and get yourself a lawyer. This ain't no joking matter no more. Now, my viewers and subscribers, the reason why I'm telling Narry to go get a lawyer is because this woman, the woman that he married to, the woman that helped him to get his paperwork to live in the United States of America, did not finish with him. And she will do anything and go any distant to mess him up because of what she heard that was going on. So, because of what was going on, my viewers and subscribers, remember all what you see going on. And out of the blues, all of a sudden, Krista show up. She was sending information out. But then she showed up herself. And she was in a gloomy mood. All gloomy mood and all Then when she realized people was coming at her, what did she do? She come out looking like somebody threw water from out of the kitchen, threw up on the rat, and the rat get wet. That's how Krista come out in her second video, like a wet rat. That's when the mental health come out. Like, oh, she's mental trauma, mental all kind of things. Huh? She going to use that on you in court. She going to tell the court that even though these things happen with you and her, it did not affect her because it wasn't out in the public. Jesus. That's what she's going to tell the lawyer. And that's what the lawyer is going to tell the court. Young man, go and get a lawyer, a barrister, or somebody, something that have something to do with lawyer. Go and get one. You need it no more than ever. Because she's going to use that mental health and what you come out and say about her and put out there about her and the media, and it make she losing her mind and all those things. I'm telling you, Jesus, go get a lawyer, young man. Go, Bulan, my viewers and subscribers, this is not a joking matter, you know. And when you hear me talk, you know, me talk from my heart. This is not a joke. The joke part of this is finished. This now is serious matter. You have all the information, you know. Don't get me wrong. You have all the information that you needed and that you can take to court. However, it's not public record that you have Jesus, God Almighty Christ. What you have is not public record, is your personal information that you have, that you make it now public. Well, it is not even, well, you make it public because you put it out on social media. By putting it out on social media, you know, put her in a state of shock. You put her in a state of she going to use all that on you in a court. Go get a lawyer. And guys, when you hear me attack because me know. I talking because I'm understanding. I understand. Me know what and where she's going with this. Listen to me. 8 months of dragging your name. And you didn't come out. And then you come out. And everything was good. And I go be honest with you. I'm going to be honest. Very honest though. If you notice, I do not make certain videos about uno situation. And that's why I said I wasn't going to put those information out there. Because I knew them. But what I want you to do, I want you to take this very serious. I want you to think of what you're doing, where you're going from here. Because if you notice, you see Rumra make a video. He's laughing. He's having a ball. Because apparently to him, she catch you where she want you. Because they all have phone talks. Now let me show you a point. And my viewers and subscribers, listen to this point. Krista, Kita or whatever she call herself, get her ex-husband to come on her live to show a different persona of who she is. But yet still, they come on there telling lies. Hold on a little bit. You mean to tell me say them don't know when they married from, when they divorced from, when they start talk? Because they rehearse it. They rehearse before they come on the live. You know, hold on. Any of you, only a certain people will know this. Who remember when you used to that Jamaica and you Patsy a call you, Jackie, Jackie, and you don't want to talk to her, and you tell your daughter or your granddaughter, say, go and go tell her, say, me not there. And your granddaughter go out there and say, she said to tell her, say, she not there. Who remember that? She said to tell her, say, she not there. Listen, you know, she said to tell her, say, she is not here. And that, them doing it. Back and forth, I try to tell lie on each other. And if she can get her ex-husband to come on her life, to try to show you up, what don't you think she can do? The same ex-husband, was she same one, Pillar talk with you about is the same ex-husband that she was with, riding bicycle at her home, at his home, while you are watch her son and your daughter. That same man, yeah, that same man, the man from Guyana, yeah, that same one. And that same one that him bring on the show, on the live, if you come and talk how good she is. Now, if that is not manipulation 401 at the highest power, at the highest level, what isn't? You need to go get a lawyer. Don't go stand up like you think you're powerful and because of your education and because of your smartness. You make this lady get ahead of you. Because guess what happened? Apparently you and her in court for the little 2-year-old. Yeah? She go use everything against you. If you don't get a good lawyer, or if you don't get a lawyer, you go lose everything. You go lose the case. Take that from me. Go and get a lawyer. It is now not any joke anymore. I hear you say, every lie she come out with, you're going to come out with something else. Take it from me. Take it from me. And I'm talking it to you as a brethren, as a man. Me I am a friend, you know, because I don't know you. But me I talk to you as a friend, as a brethren, as a man, as a farmer husband. And your husband now, even though you not divorced yet, even though you're a woman, you're still a husband. As a farmer husband, and a man will respect you. Me respect you. Me rate you, me respect you. Because you got through hell. So me I talk to you. If she come out with a video telling lies on you, you don't come out with a video. Yeah. Because listen me good. She's telling lies on you, which you know is lie. But what you're saying about her is what she's going to use against you in court. Because what you're saying about her is 100% correct, 100% truth. But is it public? No, it is not public. It is your personal information. It is not public. If it was public, you could find that STD record online. So it's not public. Once it's not public, they can and will use it against you in the book of law, in the court of law, and you will lose that case like there is no tomorrow morning. Listen to what me I say to you. You can't listen to anybody what them I say to you. But listen to what me I say to you this morning. And me I talk to you from my heart. You have viewers and you have subscribers out there will rate you, will respect you, and want to see good for you. Let me tell you this. One of my subscribers asked me if he talk to you. One of my subscribers said to me, say, tell you, say, if you go look a liar. Me, myself, did that thing to make the video anyway. But when me see my subscriber, because me have some lovely subscribers, you know. Me got some subscribers where I love you like how God love little children. Me respect you. I have some subscribers where when me wrong them, I go tell me say me wrong. And me love them for that. Because if you are my friend or my subscribers and you is going to say me right all the time, then we may not be friends. Me want me subscriber to tell me when me wrong. Yes, me want them to tell me when me wrong. Me don't want them to tell me, oh yeah, Rodney, you're right, all when me wrong. Because if them see me, I go drop in our hole, them I go tell me, say, continue. Me want them to tell me, say, no, Rodney, stop, there's a hole. That is why me love my subscribers them. So me have some lovely viewers too. Me I wonder where them are wait pan to subscribe. Me glad so I watch the video them, but you subscribe no man. Me could reach 15,000. So you know what? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, out of fun and joke, Narry, go get a lawyer. Go and get yourself a lawyer. It's not a joking matter anymore. The joke gone out of this situation. And I go say something to you, see. You have a very nice thing going on there, you know. Change the narrative, you know. Hey, hold on a little bit. Let me tell you something. It's a very nice thing, you know. There is many dads out there that cannot see their kids because of the bitter baby mother, the bitter mother, the bitter. Yeah, there's many of men out there who want to see them kids and can't see them kids. So you have something good at go on. But me I go say this to you, with love in my heart, with respect in my heart, with care in my heart. Think about what you are doing. Because we live in a country of ladies and animals and babies. Where men is concerned in this country that we live in, worse. You don't understand what I mean? Worse. That even worse. So what me I say to you is, and listen to me good now, you know. This is the part where I really want you to listen to now. Your strain, mental health, lad. Well, let me take back that. I shouldn't say mental health lad. Let me take back that. My apologies. I'm going to leave that. My apologies to use that terms that way. I'm going to just say your estranged wife. Yeah, let's just use that word. What is really going on here? Listen. She's from Guyana, yeah? Big up the Guyanese them. Big up the people from Guyana. Guyanese is a very good friend of Jamaicans. Guyanese are similar to Jamaicans. Yeah, many people may not know that, but Guyanese is similar to Jamaicans. Act like Jamaicans. Yeah. You see where me I go with that? You see where me I go with it? Be careful. And this is not a matter of me trying to make you feel like, oh, yeah, I should be scared. No. You need to think. You have a youth in a Jamaica and you have your 2-year-old. You have a channel that is doing really fine, doing good. Work on your channel. Work on your channel. I wish and hope if she comes out and make another video, I wish and hope you don't come out and make any other video about any more information that you have. Because remember, I know the information that you have is very terrible. But if you know, and as you know, she's telling lie on you. But what you are saying about her is correct, is true. Again, it's not public record. My viewers and subscribers, a lot of us don't understand some things. But we need to understand before we do things. This has become a very serious matter. And as I ask, Krista, does it worth it? I am going to ask Narry the same question. Does it really worth it? It is said that you can come and say your piece. Yeah, you can say your piece. However, some people will just see it and make it go. Meanwhile, another one who want to get back at you will not let it go. Like, for instance, this specific woman that you married to. Remember, I know, a lot of us married, date, have child with people that we sit down and we take every strand of ear out of our head because we ask ourselves, why did I even talk to this person? Why did I even get involved with this person? Why do I really and truly? Was I mad? Was I crazy? Was I smoking something very bad? Was I smoking crack? Or was I? But it happened already. It happened already. So right now, I'm going to leave you with this word. And I'm going to put on my glass to tell you this. My viewers and subscribers and Narry, what I want to say to you is, you got your kids. You got a very wonderful channel named Change the Narrative. You got your friends and your families. Live for you. You cannot stop people from lying on you. You cannot stop people from talking about you. You cannot stop people from doing whatsoever they want to do while your name is there. Look at what they come out and say about me. They say that I have sexual intercourse with my cousin and get her impregnated. I laugh till a week. Me, I have nothing to say. You know why? I know me. I know what I have done in my life. So I'm not going to make nobody draw me out. Then they go as far as say, oh, pedophile and all those things. Which, let me say this to you. Those things, as soon as you do those things is going on the record for the rest of your life. And my name is out there. And anybody can go and search the web and look if they can find my name against anything that name bad away from traffic ticket and not paying a couple bills. This is America. You know pay a bill, and me I tell you more better off than the people when I pay the bill. Yes. So guys, what me really want to say is, Narry, go get a lawyer and think about your next video. Yeah man, think about your next video. Think about your kids. You may say you don't have any family member. And me go say that. Me go say something to you about that word where you say you don't have your mother dead, your father dead. So there is nothing you can. No, don't think like that. Don't think like that. Do not think like that. There's people out there who is not your mother and is not your father who love you like your mother and father. Well, they can't love you like your mother and father, but them love you. Them care about you. There is people out there who cares a lot about you. Respect those people. Love those people. Live for yourself and those people. On the behalf of me, myself, and I, bye-bye.